Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. It's going to seem a bit Groundhog Day this, but it sounds quiet on site. I can see bits going on from just here now, just as I've got in the air, but we'll have a closer look now. Just want to give a couple of people a mention. So I want to wish Dominique a happy birthday. Sorry about the paper unfolding there because I will forget it if I don't write it down. So Dominique, happy birthday from Tony, Kira, Taylor, Austin, Kev and Lee. And a happy birthday from myself, okay? So all the best, hope you have a good day. So Colin's Own Adventures wants to give his 87-year-old dad, Tommy Wright, a mention. He loves watching my videos and he's seen every incarnation of Anfield since the 40s. He's doing a tour on the 29th of July. And you know what, the tour's really good, I recommend it. Also, he even used to walk the 200 metres from his house to the grounds in the dark days of when we spent 8 years in the second division. The old second division, that is. So yeah, hope you have a good time on the 29th, Tommy. Right, to get back to the video. So I've caused a bit of a stir. Some good ways, some bad ways. So let me just zoom in on here. See where these are going. To paint it in, so that yeah, he's going to crack on painting these where it's all white. He's going to start painting it grey. Yeah, so there's a few people. So about what I said about possible delays. Now, people have been directing me to This Is Anfield website, where they've had a say about it, saying that people have been reporting in the last couple of days that they may be 4 weeks behind the project. And they say that they understand it to be false information, is what they're saying. That the site has people working 24/7. So as you say, have people working around the clock. So I assume that they think people are working 24/7 on this site. As far as I'm concerned, the 24/7 stopped last week or a week and a half ago. So if I'm wrong, please correct me. Okay, if someone works on site and he is 24-hour working on the site, let me know. Also, they said that the club understands, that they understand from the club that the Bournemouth game will be going ahead as planned. I haven't said once that any fixtures are getting reversed. Okay, if that's what they're trying to imply, I haven't said that once. They are right. Liverpool will be playing Bournemouth at that home game on the first home game of the season. I forgot the date now. It's the 29th, is it? I can't remember the date. It was the 19th. Can't remember the date. But that game's going ahead. Now, what the fans want to know is that going to be a full capacity? The game will be going ahead if the stand's ready or not. So my understanding is they expect the lower tier to be ready for that first game. Now there's questions about the upper tier being ready, and that's what the fans want to know. Will that upper tier be ready? Because Liverpool are selling corporate seats in the upper tier. Season tickets have been sold for upper tier. So yes, you're right, the game will be going ahead, but will it be reduced capacity or not? That's the question I want to find the answer to. So if anyone knows, let me know. And also, if This Is Anfield want to get me for a chat, I'm more than happy to have a chat about it, because you know it's real concerns that the fans have got. For majority fans, it doesn't matter. If it runs behind, it runs behind. Safety is the most paramount thing about it. Let's get the stand up safely. There's the old saying, do you want it done quick or do you want it done right? You'd rather have it done right. Okay, so if it runs behind, it runs behind. It's just that there's some fans that are going to be expecting to go to that game that might not be able to go to that game, and that's the issue. Right, so let's put that to bed. Just having a look around. No, there's quite a bit going on. It just sounds quiet. Also, the Daily Mail. It's not just the Daily Mail. So, the video I put out where I done footage from inside the grounds, and it turns out there was football shirts up that of players that are still at the club but the last season's shirts in there, and it's speculation that they could be leaving. So the Daily Mail have ran with this, that loads have ran with it from my footage, but it's from a TikToker who's getting millions of views, which is fine, because the TikToker has actually credited me with the video, okay? The only thing is, everyone else is crediting the TikToker, thinking it's his footage. It's not, it's my footage. So, Daily Mail, all the others that have ran with this story, there's a few other tabloids. I was just sent a Daily Mail one last night. Just give me a bit of credit, will you? I'm trying to grow subscribers here, and you know, there's a video there that's just gone viral, and it's mine, but someone else is getting the credit for it. It could drive some traffic my way, it might not, but a little bit of credit wouldn't go amiss. Yeah, so here's the scaffolding coming down again. I know it's a big old setup, that, but how long does it take to get the scaffolding down? Because I've had loads of comments saying about how long the scaffolders are taking to get it down. I have no idea, so I couldn't possibly comment on it. It's very bright today, so I'm struggling to look at the screen. What's going on here? He's on his way up somewhere. Yeah, people keep going on about this section here. It's going to get covered up, guys. You know, I'm not going to harp on about it. That will be cladded up. That obviously, it's easier to work from the outside than it is to work from the inside. That's why it's still open. Oh, I think he might be doing some painting well, because that's all. That console's all wrapped up. All right. And I do realise that when I get home and start editing, because when you're editing, you're actually watching it back to make sure it's all good, there's no swear words in there, you know, you've made no mistakes, and you can edit accordingly. But I do notice things that I've missed, which is a bit annoying, but there's not a lot I can do about it. Right, let's get over here. Let's get the maximum height I'm allowed. 120 metres, there we go. It's about the same as yesterday, innit? That white crane's still there. I heard someone say on that the white crane had gone. It's not still there, it's just moved on it. Okay. So the front cladding is, it's all done, isn't it? Well, that'll be, now we've got the shoulder sections to do. Stripping off my waist today. Who's that in there? What is he doing? I've got these shoulder sections to do. Some tidying up on the edge as well to do, isn't there? Right. Look over the other side. That's going to be pretty much the same, isn't it? Yeah. That looks a bit tidier on the edges than the other side. So there's not as much to do on that one. The rope access lads are doing something. What are we doing, lads? Can't quite tell on the screen. Got bees bees and stuff buzzing around me today. No beetles today. Okay, lead them to it. They're working away, so there's a bit going on, yeah. I didn't look at these when I was over here today. That's what I mean about missing stuff, you know, when I go back and go, oh God, what was he doing? Or what were they doing? Must be tough for them in the seat though, because it's warm today. Like, I'm warm just standing here, so having a helmet, like when I was in the army and you had to, you know, you had to wear a helmet, carry full kit and your rifle and everything, and you know, you're in the heat and your sweat just dripping down your face. You got your cam cream on and that's getting all smudged by the sweat and it's running in your eyes and it's making your eyes sting. I can imagine that to be a similar thing, you know. It's quite a physical job that they've got, innit, you know. So climbing and getting down and climbing up again, and yeah, so I can imagine how they're feeling, because having a helmet on you when you're trying, especially when you're trying to do an exercise in the army, bloody hell. You got your chin strap, you just had a shave and you got your chin strap rubbing against your chin. Oh, it's horrible. They were the days, eh? Right, yeah. So there's stuff going on, guys, so yeah. Yeah, I'm not having a go anymore, by the way. I'm just what these websites are putting out is kind of right, but it's also, you know, up in the air as well. Like saying they're working around the clock. Are they working around the clock? I don't think they are. Like I was told by people that have because I'm a taxi driver as well, that I've had in the taxi that the, and this is from workers that have finished on the site, that they're stopping the 24-hour working. Let's get around the side and have a quick look around here. Yeah, so I'm not having a go, but if we'd like some facts from the club, that'd be nice, just to get some clarification. Don't be going off old news from like 2-3 weeks ago when someone said that, yeah, everything's on track, everything's fine. I'm heard in the last few days that everything's not on track, everything's not fine. You know, are people under pressure to get this done? That's what we want to know. Give us the answers that we want to know. Right, guys, yeah, it's no, that's not doing anything. Just having a good look, make sure I haven't missed anything. What's on this lift here? Nothing, that's just settled there. Yeah, so anyway, I'll be back tomorrow, because I reckon I'm going to see a lot of movement on that scaffold tomorrow. Okay, so I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribers wise, they shot up by about 500 or 600 yesterday, so, or was it? You know what? Oh, I can't remember now. No, about 200. It shot up by about 200 yesterday, which was made up with. So yeah, if you like the channel, please subscribe. If you're watching on TikTok, on someone else's TikTok, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's my footage, it's my work. I don't mind people sharing it, but just give me some credit. Okay, if you watch it in the Daily Mail, it's my footage. Please subscribe. Right, I'll leave it there, guys. You know, I'd like to have a little bit of fun in my videos as well. I don't take myself too serious. The information I get, everything is credible, I'll pass it on. And that's all I can say about it. And I don't claim to know everything, but it's got people talking. It's give websites content, it's give newspapers content, it's just got people talking. So yeah, let's hear some news from the club or Buckingham. Come out and say something. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. Comments and likes are always appreciated. And as always, look after yourself and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.